Isa na namang negosyanteng inay ang makakakwentuhan natin today. Ang masaya pa rito, syempre, may dala siyang pagkain.
Of course.
Ayan. Oo, siya ay
Mother of two at batang-batang presidente ng kanilang company at mukhang nasa dugo talaga nila ang pagnenegosyo. Talagang inspiring po ang kanyang storya. At ang kanyang mga magulang din po ay nasa business na ito. No? Actually, family business nila ito. Let's welcome Inay Erica Elizabeth D. Gonzalez ng Yaw Yaw at Foodie. Diba? Ayan, hi!
Morning!
Good morning!
Erica! Ang ating
Mom of
kainan.
two. Thank you so much. What a great anniversary. Diba? To
Yes.
celebrate it with you, a mom of two, a badass,
True.
president of her company.
True.
Na ilan na yung ilan na yung branches nyo ngayon? Grabe.
So for Yaw Yaw, we have 100 branches.
Wow.
For my fast food brands, I have 80.
Grabe.
For Mesa, 83.
Grabe.
Pound has around 10. So total, around 250 to 300 already.
Grabe.
How does an inay, a certified mom, balance your schedule, di ba? You
Oo.
juggle all these balls, di ba? Being a mom.
And now you're here.
Now you're here pa.
Diba?
Diba?
Wow.
Kaya naman, actually, it's just a perfect balance, no? You have to spend time with your family, but you also have to focus on your business.
How do you do that? How is
Flexibility, right? Actually, because, well, luckily, since kami yung may-ari, medyo mas flexible with the schedule. And at the same time, technology helps, di ba?
Yeah.
So everywhere I am, kahit nasa kasama ko family ko, I can WhatsApp and direct my
Team.
colleagues or my team, right? And then I can also, at the same time, if I'm in the office naman, I can watch my kids through Zoom or through
Oh, wow.
videos. So,
Thanks for technology.
yeah, technology
Or,
really
or baka
helps.
meron ka sa phone na mga camera, alam mo, CCTV.
Oo,
Meron
diba?
din, meron din.
Lahat ng branches makikita, ganyan.
Sa baby ko naman, meron din, yes.
Diba?
And when did you take on the role of being the president? And kumbaga parang how did you approach it given that napakalaking responsibility niyan? Dahil yung mga brands nyo, no, para of course, now we have Mesa, of course, yung flagship. Yaw Yaw, isa sa most loved na lagi pinipilahan sa mga mall. But you also have
True.
Tim Ho Wan. I mean,
Yes.
pag minimension ko to, I'm sure na nanonood na nakikinig sa atin, paborito nila to, kinakainan nila to, 'di ba? I mean, ako, Cam's Roast gusto ko eh, sa Mega Mall, 'di ba? I mean,
Yolo, nandun kami the other day, nahanap ko yung Cam's Rose, wala na.
Wala na.
Kasi
Wala
nagkikrave
na.
kami
Update
for,
pull out
for
na
duck.
kayo.
Sabi ko, alam ko dito yun.
Eat it and
Ito
Hawker
talaga
Chan.
to.
Eat it and Hawker Chan.
Yeah, Hawker Chan.
Hawker
yes.
Chan, nandun
Sa MOA,
siya.
Sa MOA ko usually na
Yes.
Papa Hawker Chan.
Tamo, alam ko yung
Or
Cam's
North-
Rose, pinuntahan
Yeah.
namin sa Mega Mall. Eh. Oh,
Memorize
yun.
ko,
Correct,
ko.
Fashion
Yeah.
Hall,
So,
okay.
when you took on this role, how did you approach it?
So actually, it's a family business, no? So it's not all on me. So I'm handling Yaw Yaw, I'm handling the food court brands, but I also have my brothers.
Yeah.
I have my sister. We all have each division. So there's a big support system, and of course, my parents are always there as well as our consultants, since lagi silang mas experience in everything, no? I started in college days, no? I opened
Wow.
my own restaurant inside Ateneo.
Ooh.
Okay, so I started a bit early, and then after that, I already started with the family business. Maybe 4 years ago, I took on the role of really being focused on the expansion of Yaw Yaw.
Oh.
So kaya naging 100 stores kami today.
Kaya favorite mo yung yaw-yaw.
So, ikaw pala yung susi kung bakit talagang may ano siya. 'Di ba? Para naging hot siya sa younger generation.
Saka aggressively,
ngayon.
nag-expand.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
diba?
So
Wow.
the year that I gave birth to my second son, who's 2 years old now,
Wow, congrats.
that was the year also that I aggressively expanded Yaw Yaw into
Why?
Oh,
50
wow.
Why did you do that to yourself?
You
Wala
just
na,
gave birth.
inspired.
Ay,
yeah.
actually. Oh, iba rin yung
Inspired.
hormones, di ba? After
Yeah.
mga anak. It can go both
Yes.
ways. Pwedeng
Raging
ka.
hormones
Oo,
ka.
oo, raging. Pwedeng itodo mo rin. So, tinodo mo. Doon ka sa side
So
na
after
yun.
no 3 months after giving birth, sabi ko, okay, let's start expanding. So we opened 50 stores that year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
But what was the
Grabe.
greatest challenge?
Of course, I was breastfeeding back then.
Oh my gosh,
So,
congrats.
and maarte yung baby ko ayaw ng bottle at that time.
I love it.
So, in the middle kunyari of my day, I would go home, latch.
Oo,
Balik ako
direct.
sa office.
Oh my gosh.
Balik ako sa bahay. So it's a bit of a challenge there.
Grabe.
But fun too when you
Pero
remember
fun
it now,
too, fun
diba?
too, yeah.
Wow.
Fun
And then,
to reminisce.
Natawid.
Oo, natawid.
Galing.
Successfully! Success! Oo.
grabe yung grabe rin yung actually yung good feedback syempre sa food niyo. Besides that, it's part of Filipino culture already, yung mesa is ang galing ng service nyo.
Wow,
diba?
thank
Like,
you.
maganda yung feedback sa service kasi rin ng restaurant. I feel like, bukod sa masarap yung pagkain, doon bumabalik yung tao eh.
Kaya special
Madaling-
mention na to your crew and staff
nga,
sa Mesa,
hello.
Calle Bistro, sa may Evermore.
Wow.
Because they really took good care of us. 2 seniors who were with me. Yung mga kailangan nila talagang pabalik-balik. Sila, ano pa pang gusto niyo, ma'am? Okay lang po ba kayo? Mainit po ba? Ito po yung electric pan. Ganon.
Happy to hear that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please,
wow.
please.
Swerte
Hindi
nila.
mapatong
Oh,
diba?
shout
That's
out
it,
yung
that's
branch,
it.
di ba? Ni Mamutin.
Oo, kasi doon kami pupunta, malapit sa amin. So
Correct.
talagang,
Oo.
they really took care, especially sa seniors.
Of
Talagang
course.
Ano ako
Hindi,
doon.
yun eh. Kasi it's
Yeah.
more than just like, masarap ba yung pagkain mo? Ako, malaking factor sa akin.
Service.
Maganda ba yung service?
Correct.
Okay
To
ba
keep
yung
coming
banyo?
back, yes.
Yeah.
Di ba? Okay ba yung banyo?
Banyo, parehong-pareho tayo.
Oo, di ba?
Plus points kayo doon. Pag kahit gaano kasarap ang food,
Kailangan malinis
kahit
ang
gaano
banyo.
kaganda yung
Correct.
restaurant, pag pumasok ka ng banyo,
Particular.
okay doon.
Oo.
So, pati banyo.
Kasama
very
yan sa
pareho
chine-check
tayo.
namin pag nag-rounds kami. Pumapasok talaga kami ng banyo na.
Ah.
We make sure namin malinis.
Yeah,
Correct,
kasi
correct.
part yun na experience.
Yeah,
Food
part na
yun eh, di ba?
Oo. So,
Galing.
how did you, you manage such a big crowd, like a big staff?
Yeah, so of course, you have to build your team, no? Pero ano rin talaga, focus lang, no? Tapos kakausapin mo yung team mo kung ano yung mga needs nila and support them as well. And then you just need to always be visible to your staff. Yes.
Ay, importante yun. Pero that's a new thing, yung you have to be visible
Yes.
to your staff. I think a lot of business owners listening in right now, mga mom, mga dad, yun yung maaano nila kung magne-negosyo kayo.
Lalo
Dapat
na-
nakikita kayo.
Lalo na sa time ngayon, like bumabagyo, dapat lalo kang nasa tindahan mo. Kasi
Galing.
yung mga staff mo nakapasok, dapat ikaw rin
Yes.
makapasok.
So, paano yun?
Maganda
Iniikot
yan.
mo?
Diba?
Iniikot mo on a
Yes.
daily basis, iba-ibang branches?
Yes. So may office day ako, pero most of my week is done going around all of our branches.
Surprise yan, hindi nila
Yes,
alam.
surprise.
Alam mo, ang kahanga-hanga sa'yo is because your parents started this.
Yes,
And
correct.
you can
Yeah.
easily choose another path.
Correct,
Whatever path, mag-abroad ka man. Pero hindi, college ka pa lang, sinapuso mo na yung vision ng magulang mo. Like, how was that, di ba? How did that develop?
Actually, bata pa lang kasi kami, talagang tinetrain na rin naman kami. So our daily dinners, talagang pinag-uusapan namin business. Hindi formal, pero
Yun.
my parents would
DNA,
always
parang
share,
ganyan.
would always share na parang, ito yung nangyari sa restaurant today, ganyan, ito yung mga na-encounter namin problema. So actually, it was very interesting from the start pa lang. And then, dinadala rin kami pag summer job. So,
Talaga?
nagsaserve ako ng pagkain sa fast food. So, we were trained early. And we were trained from the ground up also.
Ay, ang galing. Dapat ganun, no? What
Linis
age
ng
yan?
grease trap, ganyan.
Oh, talaga? Marunong ka malinis biglang grease
Oh,
trap?
Dapat.
Opening ng tindahan, closing ng tindahan,
Ay, oo.
para ma-feel talaga kung ano yung
Yes.
ano.
What your employees also are.
Ang
Yes.
galing. Yan ang,
Galing.
feeling
Yan
ko
ang
yan
work
yung
ethics.
susi. No? Kasi
Yeah.
magtataka kayo, ba't ang dami naman na ganyan din na may vision na maganda, na may taste din, may sa quality, etc. Pero iba yung expansion ng foodie group, di ba? And I do remember your parents started sa food court.
Yes.
Grabe, di ba?
isang-
Humble beginnings,
yes.
right?
So it started with one restaurant actually in Pasay Road called Chin.
Oo.
And then after that we opened in the food court and that's where we all started. We became foodie group from the food court actually.
Ang galing. And then you still kept the food court, di ba? Concept?
Yes, I'm handling that currently and we are at 80 stores.
Grabe. Kamusta yung yung foot traffic ng mga food court ngayon given that ang dami-dami namang options, 'di ba, nakainan.
It's still there. We're happy. We're happy naman. It's
Ang
still there.
galing. And how has it evolved?
Of course, we already changed our concept multiple times, no? Change the menu kasi every year nag-iiba rin naman yung panglasa ng mga tao kung ano yung interesting sa kanila. So
Okay.
for example, dati ang malakas is Chinese food sa food
Oo.
court ha. And then now we saw the need for a Korean concept.
Yeah.
Oh, gets.
you
Yes.
all
Yeah,
love
yeah,
Korean
yeah.
food now.
So ngayon Korean na.
Meron kami Korean, we still kept the Chinese, 'di ba?
What's the
So,
name?
Soul Good and Soul Yummy.
Yes,
It's in
yes,
all,
yes.
in all
Oh,
SM as
good.
well.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after that, of course, we started with our Filipino brand. It was named Inihaw Express before. Now it's Kain already. So medyo elevated. Elevated na siya.
Kasi nag-iiba,
Nag-iiba eh.
Grabe rin yung taste ng mga bata ngayon, di
Nag-iiba.
ba? Ng mga
Even
ano,
yung
mall
presentation, ayaw naman na nila yung parang naka-divider na food.
Oo,
Ganyan,
naalala ko
diba?
yan, nung bata
Di ba
ako.
dati parang karinderya,
Oo,
naka-divider.
yes.
Hindi na
Ngayon,
nila
hindi na.
gusto yun.
Paano na?
So gusto nila as in plate na parang
Parang hawker
parang
siya,
restaurant,
naka-plating.
diba?
May dahon-dahon pa ba dyan?
Of course,
Mga
yes.
ganon?
Oo.
Oh, grabe,
Para din hindi
nakakatuwa.
predictable.
Oo.
Kasi nga food is an experience.
Correct.
Diba?
You
Yun
cannot
parang
stop.
naiiba
You
rin.
cannot stop. You really need to reinvent
Yeah.
lagi.
Ang ganda nun, kasi yung iba na panghihinaan ng loob, pag yung concept nila hindi nagfa-fly the first time around. And that usually happens,
It
right?
happens. It
Yeah.
happens.
Ano yung naging mindset mo para sabihin na hindi ako titigil dito, tutuloy-tuloy ako? Kasi sobrang naka-macro yung mindset mo. Hindi, ito dito tayo, ito yung kailangan ng market. Yung iba, nasa stuck sila na, ay, ayaw nila yung flagship food ko.
recipe ng tatay ko to. Alam mo yun,
Oo,
yung
diba?
stuck in
May
the
ganun
past
sila.
and
Kailangan-
sentiments.
Kailangan flexible eh. Kailangan also, you get to know your market.
Oo.
So, may times din, kumakausap rin talaga kami sa mga customers. Oh, how do you like our food?
Oo.
What do you think we can improve on, 'di ba? Importante yun eh. You cannot be stuck on ano lang yung gusto mo. It has to be what most of the people want.
Tama,
Diba?
listen to your
Diba?
customers.
Listen to your customers talaga.
Ibang klase. And right now, ito, what do we have here in front of us? Ito ba yung mga fiesta?
So this
kumbaga-
is called the Ding Dong Boodle. It's from Mesa. It's the favorite of Ding Dong Dantes. So we put it all together in one boodle.
Kasi
Wow.
may chicken.
Yes, so this is chicken in honey patis. That's
Wow.
pork barbecue, tinapa rice.
Favorite
This
ko
is
yan,
tofu
tinapa.
sisig and scallops. Big scallops.
And the pancit is?
yes, that's pancit guisado.
Sarap.
And then the other one for seafood.
Here it's
ano?
salt and spicy shrimp, and then salt and pepper crispy squid. And
Sarap.
then crispy pork belly, tinapa roll, and sisig fried rice with bami.
Ang sarap. At saka, ito,
Ito tinapa roll with pinakurat.
my favorite.
Sabi ko,
Yeah.
tinaparol, akin
Favorite
ka.
favorite din ni Oscar yan. Yung
Basta tinapa. Anything tinapa.
Oo, tinapa.
Tinapa rice, akin ka.
Sobra.
Kumain
And
ng
how did
kain.
you, grabe ang tagal-tagal na, no? Pero how did you keep, kasi in a sea of Filipino restaurants, when did you realize na parang, oh my gosh, yung Mesa really made it?
Well, it's been years, no?
Yeah.
So we're kind of a home brand already.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
And actually, we're now going to expand globally already.
Yun nga.
Wow.
Congrats!
So we are
Congrats.
opening in LA soon and Hawaii.
Wow.
So we've seen naman na talagang Filipino food really is here to stay, of course, diba?
Yes.
Mm.
Tsaka in the advent of everyone wants, they feel like in the global market, exotic pa yung Filipino.
Oo.
And it's becoming like the next Thai, right?
Yes, yes.
So,
Hopefully.
hopefully kasi medyo wild
Yeah.
din talaga yung Thai. Oo nga. Pero parang ano yung plano nyo dalhin sa mga kababayan natin because they're also listening in, of course, from abroad. Ano yung gusto mong i-promise sa kanila dyan sa Hawaii tsaka sa LA?
Kasi ang hirap
Sa
dalhin lahat,
LA.
diba?
Oo.
So it's going to be a taste of home, 'di ba? It's going to be a taste of home, but at the same time we hope to make the Filipino community proud by kind of elevating our Filipino food na maiintindihan ng even ng mga foreigner.
Yes,
So,
correct.
diba?
Foreigner.
Are we gonna bring them na parang ganito or
It's
you're
still
gonna-
this, yes, it's
Yeah.
still this. It's
Ganyan
going
itsura,
yes,
parang budo.
oo.
Yan.
Pero kasi 'di ba, parang ang meron actually sa LA or sa ibang countries right now na Filipino food is yung mga karinderya sandok-sandok style.
Correct,
pa eh.
correct.
So we're hoping na ma-introduce yung talagang restaurant setting, 'di ba? You can sit down, you can
We have a
enjoy
very
food.
few.
Yes,
We have a very few.
Very
Kaya mas
few.
maganda,
Yes.
more players,
Yes,
the
correct.
better. And yun, may mga bago ba kayong products na i-introduce doon?
Always R&D, no? Lagi naman kami nag-R&D. So we're hoping to introduce some new ones as well.
Pero paano yung ingredients? Paano nyo dadalhin lahat? Diba? Available ba lahat yan?
Available
sa
naman
US?
niya. Available
All of
naman.
those, oh.
19% tariff. Charot.
Ay, oh my God!
Yun lang.
19%. Kaya-kaya ng mga dollar earner natin yan, nakababayan. Kaya-kaya
Diba?
nila.
Anong tinapad, dadalhin nyo rin doon?
Actually,
Smoked fish
malaki
yun.
naman ang Filipino community
Yes,
in
yes.
LA and Hawaii.
Oo.
So, I think we can source out the ingredients.
Yeah, the
Correct.
tinapa.
Saan yung saan sa LA? Pwede na ba i-announce?
Hindi pa eh.
Yes!
Malapit sa house ng mga
Glendale,
Hollywood
charot.
stars.
Oo. Feeling ko doon mga Pinoy area.
Doon, malapit
Glendale. Oo.
Meron doon.
Oh, hindi na ano na yung Pacific
Wala na.
Palisades mo.
Kasi nga dahil
Oo.
nasa nangyaring.
Yeah. Pero parang
Fire.
feeling ko, somewhere there. Yes! Oo. Or
Okay.
baka nasabi ko na. Charot.
Nasabi
Ayan.
na.
Oh, but ano yung like, do you plan to, sa 6 years old pa lang, tsaka 2 years old yung sons mo. But
Yes.
do you plan to also, take them in this journey with the family?
Yes, I think I'm going to recreate kung ano yung ginawa din ng parents ko. So actually, parents ko nung bata pa lang kami, dadaling kami sa rounds. Dadaling kami sa restaurant. 'Di ba? I-expose mo lang na i-expose, 'di ba? And I think interesado naman sila so far. Oo.
Ano, nagki-kitchen?
Oo,
2
tsaka,
years old, ang cute.
Yung son ko na 6-year-old, nakailang na rin, bazaar, serving like croffle,
Oh my
lemonade
gosh.
stand, popcorn. So, enjoy naman nila.
Oo, yung concept. Tsaka di ba pag party, yun talaga yung gusto ginagawa ng kids, di ba?
Oo.
So parang...
Benta-benta sila.
Oo,
Ganyan.
nagbebenta. Nalala ko nga nung bata ako, nagbebenta pa ako, tapos dahon yung pambayad ko sa kapatid ko. Hindi, ginagawa niyo ba yun? Like when you were playing with your kids, di ba? Ay, with your siblings that
Gusto mo
time.
ba yun ngayon?
Hindi na.
Tunay na
Tunay na. Naka-paper money na sila. Yeah, tsaka meron na sila talagang cashier store.
Yeah.
Sa'yo pala
Yeah.
dahon kasi yung panahon ko, marble. Alam mo ba yung
Yeah,
marble?
marble.
Yun
Yeah.
ang bayad. Marble.
okay.
When you play with your,
Hindi ako duman sa dahon, marble.
Oh,
Ganun
nakakatuwa.
Pa-promote na natin
Ay,
si
oo
Erica.
nga.
For all the
Okay.
foodies out there.
So for-
Hindi natin nadaanan yung
Oo nga,
yaw. Wait lang, ito pa naman yung baby mo.
Oo.
Oh, ito, every time bibili ka ng ganitong ka-size, dito, pwede mong bilhin ng apo.
Yes. So, in all of our stores, this is available para sa mga gustong mag-uwi.
Mag-uwi.
Yeah,
ng
magkano
yaw-yaw.
yan?
This is 999.
Kasi
Wow.
ilang oras bago matunaw.
With the-
Kasi, hindi pa
with
natutunaw.
this?
With this, insulated eh.
Wow.
Ayan, insulated
Oo.
yan. See, look at it. So, tinan mo kanina pa.
Buti pa
Ilang
na-
hours siya? Will it keep, ganito? Oh,
Wow.
see? So, nakauwi ka na nun, wag ka lang mabaha.
Correct. Hindi, tsaka yan yung yun yung gusto ko, syempre for my
Yeah.
daughter, di ba?
Yeah. I have a
Tsaka mas
confession to
healthy
make.
siya, di ba?
Ako, a confession, every time we take home, I don't throw your spoons.
Ay, maraming...
Kasi ang ganda ng spoon mo. Ay, di ba, I'm a believer of reduce, reuse, recycle.
Yes,
Repurpose,
yes.
reuse. So, marami akong ganito sa bahay. The spoon.
Sabi namin, bring your spoon, old spoons, and we'll
Tama.
give you a discount or on our...
No
Ayan.
way!
Yan ang, yan. CSR. Diba? CSR.
Sabihin, dami talagang nag-uwi.
Yes. Saka you can't just throw away the spoon, di ba? Pero maganda yan, part of the company, rin, di ba?
Yeah.
CSR, di ba? Eco-friendly.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Reusable.
Paano mo na-discover yung yaw-yaw? Kailan dadalhin sa Pilipinas?
Nakita namin siya sa Singapore with very, very...
Ay, Mike. Sorry, Erica. So franchise pala to.
Yes.
Spain, di ba?
Yes, it's a Spanish brand, but we saw it in Singapore with super long lines. So sabi namin, wow, grabe, ang dami may gusto mag-yogurt, di ba?
Oo, true naman.
So, we were interested and then we brought it in. That was 8 years ago. And now, we're at...
Glorieta, di
Like
ba?
po yung caramel.
Glorieta
Ayun,
and-
caramel.
Glorieta and Mall of Asia.
Thank you, Erica. Naku, si Erica pa nagsuserve sa atin. Anyway, the spoon, original design to ng
Spain,
Spanish.
yes.
Kaya
Kasi,
pala, may
ano mo,
reuse talaga na nakalagay.
You don't throw away the spoon.
It's
kasi nga-
ergodynamic also. Kasi pag sa Sanum,
Thank you.
hanggang ilalim makukuha mo
Oh,
in
tama,
one
yeah,
scoop.
yeah.
That's why we made this.
See?
This is so
Ulitin
good.
mo nga yung promo na yun na bring spoon, daling ko lahat ng spoons.
meron kami dala as in is handful mga siguro 100 pieces. Sabi ko,
Oh,
ano ba yung ginagawa niya?
Now you know. Inaghihintay lang ng promo mo.
Baka nga ba, Maya, pwede kayo yung biggest fan of yaw-yaw. Yung mga
Oo.
gano'n, di ba?
Pwede.
Na contest para sa
Uy, 11 o'clock
anniversary.
na.
Ay, oh my gosh, oo nga. Thank you so much. Ito na, sorry, nakain
Thank
na
you,
namin
Erica.
para sa inyo to, kapatid.
Of course.
Thank you,
Enjoy,
guys.
enjoy.
So muli, maraming salamat sa Lemon Square. Thank you so much. Ito, sila rin po.
Yes. Ang ganda, no?
Lahat kayo to. Thank you. Mamaya picture tayo ha.
So,
Thank you so much.
Alam mo, lagi ko to ino-order kasi sobrang daling orderin. Tapos ilalagay mo lang yung yung dedication, tapos pinapadala ko na.
Correct. Ang tanong, sino mag-uwi ng nito?
Ikaw na, Mamu. Uwi mo na yan.
Hindi, katerno ng
Kalahati
suit
mukha
mo
mo,
eh.
kalahati.
Hindi, ito,
kalahati.
yung mukha ko, uwi ko. Yung mukha mo, yung
Ako, sorry, yung yaw-yaw kasi yung gusto ko iuwi. Okay, Dibs. Dibs sa yaw-yaw. Sorry,
Ito,
guys.
uwi mo na
Ito
ito may laman, uwi ko yung walang laman.
May laman
May
din
laman
yan.
din yung
May
Mama.
laman din,
Oo.
uwi ko na to.
Yeah, uwi mo na yan. Ako ito.
Sharon,
Ito na yung ano ko,
balutin
ito na-
mo.
Sharon Cuneta. I love
Anyway, we
it.
really enjoy. Thank you so much sa ulitin.